3 ways content marketing is great for your site's SEO. Optimizing your content for search engine traffic is a powerful strategy. You'll get people to visit your website for free, which means you won't need to pay for ads. In this presentation, you're going to learn 3 different ways content marketing is great for your site's SEO. Long-form valuable content gets top spots on Google. It's quite well known in SEO circles that Google prefers high-quality, long-form content over similarly high-quality but short-form content. A majority of the top 3 pages on Google's search results average more than 2,000 words each. As part of your content marketing strategy, you should make sure that all the posts you publish should meet this word count requirement. This will help increase your chances of ranking high up on Google. Of course, it goes without saying that your content should offer substantial information that will hook your readers into staying on your site. This is because Google also uses your visitors' time on your site as an indicator of quality. High-quality content gets linked to frequently. Getting links from high-quality sites is every webmaster's dream, as this tells Google your site is an authority on a specific subject area. But getting free links is not easy. You need to offer something valuable in return. This is where content marketing shines. When you publish high-quality content, you don't need to ask people to link to your site. They're going to link to your content voluntarily. And when you've got a ton of high-quality content, then you get plenty of opportunities to get free backlinks from big, established websites. More content equals more opportunities to rank on search engines. When you publish high-quality content consistently, you have more opportunities to rank on Google and other search engines. But don't just publish any content though. Search engines love content that people are going to find useful and valuable, so you need to make sure your content fits this criterion. Oh, and if you were thinking of keyword stuffing your content, stop right there. It's not 2010 anymore, where search engines could easily be fooled by black hat SEO techniques. When you write content, you need to have your audience in mind. No one wants to read content with the main keywords sprinkled every other sentence. That's just going to annoy your site visitors. If you publish anything other than quality content, then you risk getting penalized by Google. It means your site is never going to see the light of day and is going to be buried in its search pages.